Okay, we're all back. We've got our 12 rows of cloth stitch. We're now going to use a different stitch, and this one is called cloth stitch and twist, so it's just cloth and twist. And that's because we have a normal cloth stitch and then we just add a twist on. So now we're going to do 4 movements. So if we remember the first 3, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one we add on is exactly the same as the second. So it's a cloth stitch, but now the legs are crossed. So can you see the cross there? So the legs are now crossed. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then add a twist. Legs are crossed. 1, 2, 3, cross the legs. 1, 2, 3, cross the legs. 1, 2, 3, cross the legs. 1, 2, 3, and twist. 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 And the last one, 1, 2, 3, and twist. We finish in exactly the same way. We still twist twice. We pick our pin up. We put our pin in, and then we pull up. Stroke the bobbins down. Move them off to the left so they're out of the way, and we go back the other way. Let's just lengthen that worker a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, it's basically 2 movements, and we do it twice. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist twice and put up your pin. Okay. With cloth and twist, I tend not to pull up straight away because you've got quite a lot of friction happening in your passives where they meet the workers. So I tend to pull up halfway and then pull up the full way. Cloth and twist isn't the most popular of stitches. You use it, but you don't tend to use it for a big amount. Okay, so you can see it looks very different. Okay, I'll meet you back here after we've done our 12 rows. So we've done 2, let's do another 10. Okay, we've done our 12 rows of cloth and twist. As you can see, it looks very, very differently. So we've got our cloth stitch up there, and then we've got our cloth and twist. The last stitch we're going to learn is half stitch. I always leave this one to last because we've been working in pairs of bobbins, and it's very easy to work in pairs of bobbins. Half stitch, everything goes out of the window, so forget your pairs of bobbins, just watch what happens. So half stitch is 2 movements, and it's half a cloth and twist. So it's that one and that one, and that's it. So as you can see, our pairs are now no longer pairs. And that's why you need to work more I've got 4 bobbins in front of me. They're the next 4 that I need, rather than I'm working with this pair or I'm working with that pair. So we'll do it again. Bring 2 more down. 2 movements, no more. As you can see, I'm taking one across, one of my workers, and its companion is changing every single time. So I've got the lead bobbin, is the same going across. And there's the last one. Again, I'm going to twist it twice. Put in my pin. And this is going to look very different. I've only got one bobbin that's gone all the way across. And let's do that again. Move them very carefully across, because we've now got, as you can see, no idea of which bobbin goes with which bobbin, so we have to be very careful with how we move them. So we're going this exactly the same. So this time my pale lilac is going to be my worker. That one's not staying done up. So the lilac is now going all the way across. We've twisted twice. Just stroke the bobbins down. And we're going back again. And this time it's the purple going across. Twist twice, put up your pin, pull the purple worker, and you can see the pattern emerging as we stroke these bobbins down of what's actually happening. Okay, we'll go to the end of our card and then we'll meet up again. Okay, that's our 12 rows of half stitch. So as you can see, we've got cloth stitch up here, cloth and twist, and then we've got half stitch. That's the end of this lesson. Our next few lessons we're going to be working on a set of diamonds, and for each one I will write on the blog how many pairs we're going to need. It's a pattern I've designed and we're just going to keep doing, and each pattern is going to be another stitch. So there are your 3 basic stitches. I would suggest that you spend some time going through and doing repeats of this. Now to finish this one, all we're going to do is get our scissors out, grab our pairs together, and finish it like that. All the others we will actually finish properly, but this one, it's just our trial, so we're just going to finish it. Sorry. We're just going to finish it very simply, and I'm just going to tie a knot in that. Okay, that's it for this lesson.